So over here, if I were to go around onto this particular slide, you can see that certain style is applied for this particular text. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and change the style. Let's say, for example, I'm going to change the font right here just like this, and I'm going to go ahead and add in let's say, for example, a highlight color right here just like this as well, bold it out and change the color right here just like this. So you can go ahead right here and make the changes as you can see right here. And let's say I want to apply the same formatting over here as well. In that case, I can go ahead and utilize Format Painter as I need. So around over here, I'm going to go around and click on Format Painter. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. Click on the Format Painter again, click over here, click on the Format Painter again and click over here. Then you can see that the format right here has been copied out right there just like that in Terabox presentation editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.